Hey everyone, Munir Sadana here. Today we're diving into the Pakistan Penal Code to understand the crucial violations of public justice. These laws protect the integrity of the judicial system and ensure justice is served. A justice system without integrity is like a car without brakes and is headed straight for disaster. Here we're about to break down 8 major violations from perjury to witness tampering. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about lying under oath. Section 193 of the Pakistan Penal Code lays down the law on perjury. In the case of Muhammad Nawaz versus the state, the Supreme Court made it clear messing with an oath is a big no-no. We're talking up to 7 years in prison, hefty fines, and worse if your lie leads to a wrongful conviction. Now, what's worse than lying in court? Planting evidence. Fabricating evidence to frame someone is straight up sabotage of the justice system. Section 194 of the PPC tackles this head on. The Supreme Court, in the case of Muhammad Ashraf versus the state, didn't mince words. We're talking life in prison, even the death penalty, if your fabricated evidence leads to a wrongful execution. Don't even think about it. Ever heard the phrase justice delayed is justice denied? Section 186 of the PPC is all about preventing those delays. It criminalizes interfering with public officials, especially in judicial proceedings. Witnesses being threatened, evidence disappearing, officials being bribed, it all adds up to a big roadblock on the road to justice. The Rana Muhammad Akram versus the state case highlighted how crucial it is to punish anyone trying to throw a wrench in the gears of justice. 3 months in prison, fines, or both. It's a price you don't want to pay. Think about it, folks. The courtroom isn't your living room and the judge isn't there to take your disrespect. The Contempt of Court Ordinance of 2003 is all about maintaining order and decorum in the court. Disobeying court orders, disrespecting the judge, disrupting proceedings. It's all fair game for contempt charges. Let's talk about bribery, specifically bribing judicial officers. Sections 161 to 165A of the PPC are clear. Trying to influence a judge's decision with cash is a one-way ticket to jail. Justice is not for sale, people. The Supreme Court has dealt with its fair share of these cases. Asfandiar Wali versus the state is a prime example. You're looking at fines and up to 7 years behind bars. Helping someone escape from prison isn't some Hollywood action flick. It's a serious offense under Section 225 of the PPC. We're talking about actively aiding and abetting a prison break. The State versus Muhammad Iqbal case from 2008 serves as a stark reminder. Aiding a dangerous criminal in escaping justice? You're looking at a decade behind bars. Last but not least, let's talk about witness intimidation. Section 503 of the PPC tackles the threat to justice posed by those who use fear and intimidation to silence witnesses. Threatening a witness isn't just wrong, it strikes at the heart of a fair trial. So there you have it, folks. 8 crucial violations that strike at the core of Pakistan's justice system. Understanding these violations is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the judicial system in Pakistan. Thank you for watching and stay informed. Ha abniya di posi vakati wadi.